Hi everyone, it's Miranda. Welcome back, and if you're new, because I know I've gotten some subscribers this week, welcome. Welcome to my channel. We are doing Topbox today. So Topbox is only for Canadians. It works out to $3.40 where I am. It depends where you are. Taxes and stuff like that could be cheaper. So just remember, this is only a $12 box. And it's monthly. And it's also a sister company to Luxebox, which I know Americans can get that one as well, and that's every 3 months. And that one is, mine works out to about like $29. So I think I'm the last person on the planet to get this. You've probably seen all the videos and stuff. But I'm gonna do it anyways because I love you guys. So let's get into it. This is the box. It's so tiny. I got this and I'm like, how is there anything in there? So, but yeah. I also changed all my lighting and camera setup, and it seems to be better. So hopefully it is. So this is what it looks like inside. I think this is my first Topbox. I may have gotten another one. I can't remember. So this is just telling you what the feature is, and it comes with a 25% off coupon. And then again, this is for chapstick. Oh, cool. I'm going to start off with you can get, every month they come out with a surprise add-on, which is $10. So I'm starting off with this. It is by Fenty. Oh, there we go. Woo. And it's lipstick. And if you don't know, this is Rihanna's new line of makeup. That's kind of cool. I have really chapped lips. Yeah, I'll put it on. Want me to try it on? So that's what it looks like. Woohoo! It's shining up the light there. Sorry. Yeah. There. Okay, I'll try it on. It's actually a really nice color. Let's just see. Sorry, I can't actually see if I'm on my lip line or not. I'm just going by feel. Sorry if this looks like a 5-year-old put it on. It's nice. I feel really nice going on. It's really nice lipstick, so cool. So my first item is the MAC Strobe cream. I don't know what that is. Let's just try it. I don't know if it changed or did anything. Maybe I'll add it to like my liquid foundation, and maybe it might create like a nice shiny effect. So that's by MAC. I can't even, can you tell? Right there. I don't know. Okay, so this is chapstick. I should put that on. Natural moisture formula with natural derived ingredients. I don't know what is with my lips, but I went all winter long. They were perfect. Nothing was chapped. Spring hit, boom, chapped. Shouldn't it be chapped during winter time? Ooh, that dried like dry. Weird. I don't know if this is a color for me because I'm so, like, because of my dark hair, and I don't know. Can you leave a comment below and tell me? Actually, my mom might really like this, and because I've already used it on my lips, she won't care. Sorry. Ooh, and I got mine in vanilla. Ooh. Doesn't smell. Let me try it on top of this. Oh, it's so dry. Ah. It needs to be worked in there. Okay, I'm gonna give that another go without my lipstick, but it kind of didn't go on like normal chapstick, but it could be my lipstick. Okay, so my next one is Delilah Organics Natural Skin Therapy Nail and Cuticle Oil. Oh, good. I'm actually kind of excited about this. There we go. Because I don't know if I actually want to zoom in, but my cuticles are really bad. So let's see if this... There's no smell. No smell at all. It's good. Good. Okay, my next item is Be a Bombshell eyeshadow, and it looks like it's in rock bottom. What are they trying to say? I got my hair cut and I got bangs, and I don't know if I like them, so that's why my hair is all kind of pinned back, and I went to bed with it wet, so this is natural curl. Sorry I didn't do myself up for you guys. Okay. So that's what it looks like. It's a cute little size. Oh, it's kind of like, how would I describe that? Pinky orange. Let's swatch this. Oh, let's see. Oh, wow. Wow. I actually really like that. It's totally something I would wear. And that swatched really nicely. So that's nice. And I have one more thing. My camera died on me. I don't know how far back it did die on me, so hopefully I got this right. Okay, so my last item in this is a cute little Tarte lip paint. How adorable is that? Quite cute and little. Great for travel, great for the purse. I like Tarte stuff, so it's actually, where's my other one? Here. It's actually like very close in color to that one. This actually seems darker. Let's just see. Next here. Woohoo! That's even darker, I think, than that one. I think I might put this in a giveaway. Cause that's, wow. Or find a friend who wants that. I just swatched it on my arm, so if it's in a giveaway, that's all I did to it. So remember that this box is only $12. So I got that. That's not included in that. The Delilah, the Max Strobe, which I'm not totally sure about. This, which is a really nice color. And my chapstick, which now that it's kind of worked in, it feels actually really nice, even with the lipstick. So yeah, that's like for $12, that's pretty good. And I'm gonna use all of it, maybe except for the Tarte lipstick. So what do you guys think? What did you guys get in your box? I know there was different variations, and I think this was box 7. Not totally sure how to read that, but box 7. Pretty good, I think. I'm going to probably keep continuing with it, so stay tuned for all of those. I have my Luxe box is supposed to be in any day now. Again, I think I'm the last person to get them, What else do I have? All my Ipsies are supposed to be in. Of course, everybody's having problems with their BoxyCharm. I still haven't gotten mine, so don't worry. It's coming, I'm pretty sure. I hope. I've already got the shipping for that, so everybody just stay tuned. I'm gonna try to not to be so antsy. Keep checking, like, where is it? So yeah. If you like this video, if you want to see more unboxing videos, press subscribe and the little like bell, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up because I really appreciate it when you guys do that, and comment below what you thought of my stuff. Awesome. So I'm gonna go outside and enjoy the weather because it is so warm outside. I am so excited about this weather. Could be why my lips are so dry. I don't know. Who knows? Anyways, guys, have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!